Hello and welcome on Infinity Plus. This is Koshal Sharma. I hope you all are safe and good. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to design door hinge in Fusion 360 with some basic concept and ideas. This video will be more beneficial for beginners and intermediate. So let's start it. I already have opened my Autodesk Fusion 360. First of all, we have to click on create sketch. Now we have to select the plane. I have selected the plane. This is my plane. So now I have chosen rectangle, 2 point rectangle, and now I will give the directions 150 for the length and for breadth 70. Okay, now finish the sketch. Extrude up to 5 mm. I will give the 5 mm thickness. Now I have selected new component. Okay, so now we have to make a sketch on this for the round shape of the rings of the door rings. uh, Selected the 12. uh, okay, this is okay. Now again that will 24 mm. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will extrude it up to -30 and join. Okay, you will see. Now again we will choose this and go to pattern and rectangular pattern. So now we will choose the feature and select on this, and again select the direction will be this, and quantity will be 1, and we have to do this up to 150. That will be -150, and it will be -30. Okay, so select again. I have select this 150, -150. That will be -30, and this will be 1. So now you can see, I think it will also be 30. We have to make 30. Okay, and now you can see it's looking like this. Again I will select this, select this. Okay, and stop this. Again extrude 5 mm. Okay, now we will again make this extrude. Now I will take the offset, that will be -30. and distance will be -30, and you can see now it's looking like this. Now I have to make again one more ring here, so I will choose this and extrude. Again I will use the offset plane. Now offset will be 30, 30, 60. Now -60, -60. Okay, and it will be -30. No, it will be 90. Okay, so now it's looking like this. Add the sketch. So I have made this body and changed to create component from the body. Okay, now what will I do? I do some changes. This is the top. Create a sketch. Now choose this and check this 90°, 0°, and 180. Choose this and test this. Okay, finish the sketch. Now I will choose this and extrude. So I will take the offset, offset, and again I will take 30. It's mean -30 offset, and again I will do -30, and you can see it will be cut. It has cut, sorry, and again for the same I need one more cut for this. So again extrude, I need offset -90, and how much I will cut? -30. That will, it's also cut. For same for this, I need 3 cuts there and there, and you will see how can we cut. I will select this, extrude, again offset. Now we will no need to offset here. Okay, -30 mm. Okay, this will be cut, yeah, successfully. And again extrude, same, and this will be 30 and 60, 60. Achha. Okay, I will choose -60, and this will be -30. It also cut it, you can see, cut it. Again last time we will do this, extrude and offset. Now the offset will be 90, I think, mine only 120. minus 120. I think minus 120. Yeah. Minus 120. Yeah, it's okay. And minus 30, and it will also cleared. Now, what we have to do now? We have to joint this these two parts. So move this part into, rotate on this direction 180. Okay, now we can join it. Capture position. Okay, we are doing wrong. Now this will be work. Yeah, it's working. You can see it's working. Okay, now we have to make a rod for it. I will give 10 mm rod. Finish. Now extrude. How much? 150. Okay, now again, uh, make the create component, and this will joint, uh, joint this. Okay, you can see now it's working. Now hide the joints and sketch. Now choose this, create a sketch, make the holes, uh, 8. Okay, again 8. Okay, again, what is this? Red, red, again 8. Okay, 8. Okay, again 8, 8. Okay, and 8. Okay, extrude minus 25. Okay, now we have to do some fillets to remove the sharpness from the edge. So I will do fillet. You can see, choose the all the edges. This, 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 one. Okay, again one. Okay, so the hole is left. We can also do the holes. One. Okay, connected. One. Okay. So we have removed the sharpness from the edges by the fillet. That's over. Thank you for watching this video. If you get any query or any doubt, please do comment in comment section. I will be give answer positively. Thank you and do subscribe my channel Infinity Plus. Thank you.